High-risk foreign criminals released onto Britain's streets without public safeguards, the Chief Inspector of Prisons warns. Now, who knew? Now, people like me are demonised for highlighting foreign criminals, for highlighting the risk to women and girls in this country because of those that we are importing. Many here illegally, some here on visas as well. Now, this just goes to show we are not extreme in highlighting this. This is a proper problem, a real problem. And the Chief Inspector of Prisons has admitted that and warned us. Maybe, just maybe, the Overton window is shifting enough for you to stop labelling people like me as, I don't know, extremists or far right and start realising that we're speaking the truth.